In Montreal, as in many large cities, residential zones are bordered by industrial facilities. In the event of a major industrial accident, this proximity can entail significant risks. The Montreal urban agglomeration works closely with industry to reduce these risks. If such an incident were to occur, chemical products could disperse into the air and form a toxic cloud, thus endangering the health of the nearby population. A warning siren would then be sounded. It consists of a modulated sound, in other words, rising and falling, that lasts 3 minutes. Now, if you heard this siren, would you know what to do? How to respond? Here are the 5 behaviors you need to adopt to remain safe. Number 1. Go indoors. The idea is to isolate yourself. If you are outdoors, you must immediately seek shelter in the nearest enclosed space, such as a home, business, or public building. Number 2. Close the doors and windows. Once inside, close and seal all doors and windows and shut off the ventilation system. You must block all points of air entry with cloths or towels. Lastly, stay away from the doors and windows. Number 3. Turn on the radio.
La ville de Montréal informe la population.
The authorities will be broadcasting instructions. It is important to follow these instructions while awaiting more information. Number 4. Leave your children at school. You must remain under shelter. Teachers have been trained to respond to this situation. They will guide the students in the safety instructions they need to follow.
Est-ce que je peux appeler Béatrice?
Non, c'est mieux de pas
And
téléphoner.
number 5, you must avoid using the telephone so as not to tie up the lines that are essential for emergency services. Finally, when you hear the continuous 60-second signal, this indicates the end of the alert. At this time, it will be completely safe for you to go outdoors and resume your activities. In Montreal, every measure is put into place to ensure your safety. Our emergency services are prepared to intervene at any time and in any situation. Now you too are prepared. With these 5 behaviors, you know how to react when you hear the siren indicating an industrial accident. In case of an industrial accident, know what to do.